How to switch TikTok account from private to public. So if you want to switch your TikTok account from private to public, then first of all open up your TikTok application, and then after opening, now you can go to your profile, which is on the bottom right corner, and then you can go to settings, which is on the upper right corner, which has the 3 bar, and you can go for settings and privacy, which is on the last option. And then under account, here on the second option you will have privacy. Tap on privacy, and then here on the first option you will have private account. So if you want to make your account public from private, then you can simply tap on that private account and it will ask you to switch to public account. Simply tap on switch, and that's it. That's how you switch your account from private to public. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.